Hello everyone, I Siddhartha Serene from Youth for Work. I am back with another video. In one of our previous videos, we had learned about NIACL prelims exams. So today we'll be telling you about the NIACL mains exam. Let us first of all recall about the NIACL. NIACL stands for New India Assurance Company Limited. It conducts NIACL Administrative Officer AO exam to recruit administrative officer for its various branches across the country. The exam is conducted in two different stages: NIACL AO prelims and NIACL AO mains. So we'll be telling you about the NIACL AO main exam that will be surely helping you if you are looking forward to prepare for the exam. We'll be telling you about the exam and we will share the exam pattern and tips to crack the AO mains exam. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Serene and we at Youth for Work will now discuss the eligibility criteria for NIACL AO mains exam. For general category, the candidate must be a graduate with 60% marks from any recognized university. For SC or ST category, the candidate needs 55% marks. The candidate must be a citizen of India or from Nepal and Bhutan citizen, or the candidate must be a Tibetan refugee who came over to India before 1st January 1962 with the intention of permanently settling in India. The candidate can be a person of Indian origin who has migrated from Pakistan, Burma, Sri Lanka, East African countries with the intention of permanently settling in India, provided that the candidate shall be a person in whose favor a certificate of eligibility has been issued by the Government of India. The age limit should not be less than 21 years and should not be more than 30 years. Age relaxation is given for the following categories: for SC or ST 5 years, for OBC 3 years, for PWD General 10 years, for PWD SC ST 15 years, for PWD OBC 13 years, for persons domiciled in J&K 5 years. Let's discuss the exam pattern for the preliminary exam of NIACL AO main exam. NIACL AO mains are the two categories, generalists and specialists. It consists of objective type questions. The paper is for 200 marks followed by a descriptive paper of 30 marks. There is negative marking. You will be deducted 1/4 marks for every wrong answer. For generalists, for this exam, you are given 2 hours or 120 minutes. It has 4 sections of 50 marks each. These are Reasoning Ability, English Language, General Awareness, Quantitative Aptitude. Except the test for English Language, the candidate will have the option to attempt all the other tests in both English and Hindi medium. For specialists, the time given is 120 minutes. There are 5 sections, each of 40 marks. Reasoning Ability, English Language, General Awareness, Quantitative Aptitude, and Technical and Professional Knowledge Test. Now let's discuss the exam pattern for the descriptive paper. It includes an English language paper to test your letter and essay writing skills. It is for 30 marks. You will be given 30 minutes. 20 marks is for essay writing and 10 marks is for letter writing. I'm Siddhartha Sareen, and we at Team Youth for Work will now discuss a few tips and tricks for NIACL AO Mains exam. You should be well aware of current affairs to improve your awareness and GK. Do read lots of books, magazines, newspapers. Watch news regularly to keep yourself updated. Time management is very important during the exam, but also while preparing for exam. Make daily targets for yourselves and check them at the end of the day. While you prepare, you should write down how important things you need to revise just before the exam. Give as many mock tests as you can. It will help you improve your speed and will make you analyze your weaker and strong areas. For this, I would recommend you to download the Prep Guru app given by Youth for Work. Put some extra effort while preparing for English test, especially the grammar part. Make a daily habit of writing an essay or an article.